some days
Some days
I don't.
you don't. Yeah. All right. Today,
Yes.
up the hill.
Up the hill. Okay.
Follow it all the way to the end. Up the hill. Registration's at top.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Glad you're here.
I am too.
Heyo!
Hello.
How are you?
Better some days than others. How about you?
I mean, it rained, so I feel like this is my best day.
Okay. All right.
Did you by chance get that waiver signed?
I did.
You did?
Yes.
You make it easy. You can just stay right then. They'll scan all your stuff and you'll be good to go.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I'm really grateful that you are. A little less than a year ago, I ran across a YouTube video. I'll put a link to it down below, of this thing called Descend on Bend. And since I only live about a half an hour from Bend, I thought, you know, I'll watch it. And it wasn't near Bend at all. It was way out near Hole in the Ground. Now, if you have ever seen the Hole in the Ground video that I did, you'll know approximately what it looks like out there. And so I decided it was such an interesting video that I was going to do it this year. So I brought Toyota out here, and we're at Descend on Bend. It's a 3-day festival. I'm not quite sure what to expect, and we'll see what happens. Everybody seems friendly. There's a lot of different kinds of rigs around here. Some of them are homemade. Some of them are just regular, like Toyota. And there's tents. But it's a 3-day camp festival, and there's a lot of stuff going on. There's yoga, there's live music, there's baristas out here in the middle of nowhere. So it's going to be an interesting weekend, and I'm glad you're here. Let's go descend. As you can see, they've set up a skateboarding area, a volleyball area, a kids' play area.
That is the little towel. They're both up here for you to look at. Big towel is $60. The tea towel is $20. Okay. The big towel says human being on it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. These ones are. All right.
Hi.
This is our last one of this lovely design. It's the 2 or 3 years ago Descenture. Extra large. This will be a collector's item. I'm telling you right now.
Okay.
And last $30. Great
Do you have this in a different color?
So these are both the same ones, and we can do multiple sizes.
But anyway, that's just the Santa Isidro's the
There's also a lot of vendors here.
ones, just because the rocks are pretty cool.
I'd love to see it. It was nice to meet you.
You too. Your name again too?
Kristen. It's
Sorry.
okay. No, it's okay.
Sorry. Oh yeah, over there.
They even have a hair salon here. Who would have thought?
No, I
And because of the interface, they do obviously white, and you've got a screen on the back end, and they've got a screen on the front end. Hi, how are you guys?
damn that. But yeah, so check into the.
Obviously, this is the main stage.
Yeah. So I think John's taking the back plate off to see if we can make it better.
It's not quite 5 o'clock, and they've been getting about 10 rigs an hour minimum since I came in. This one's from British Columbia, actually.
Money come too fast, I can't slow down. Feel like I'm running from my past, I can't slow down. So many nights about to crash, burning problems on cash. I can't slow down. Just can't believe it.
Obviously, this is the VW bus area.
I've been here Wednesday.
I'll do one of my favorite toasts. It's the toast of the hobbits. May the hair on your feet never fall out. James is confused. He's like, that's not in the books.
It's not in the books.
You made that up.